Are you tired of creating amazing content only to see it buried under the sea of videos on YouTube? Want to know how to work with the YouTube algorithm to finally gain the attention you deserve? Stick around because today we're unlocking the secrets to decoding the YouTube algorithm. First, let's break it down. The YouTube algorithm is like a matchmaking service between your content and viewers. Its goal? To predict what a user wants to watch next and keep them engaged on the platform. It uses data points like click-through rate, watch time, viewer retention, and engagement metrics, such as likes, comments, and shares, to decide which videos to promote. Understanding these signals is your key to success. As of 2025, the algorithm prioritizes 1. Personalization, tailoring content to individual preferences based on watch history. 2. Engagement, boosts. Videos that spark conversations and interactions get favored. 3. Fresh content. Trends and new uploads often receive a temporary visibility boost. If you can master these areas, you'll have a better shot at thriving on YouTube. Now let's get practical. Here are the steps to decode and optimize for the algorithm. Use attention-grabbing titles, detailed descriptions, and relevant hashtags. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can help you research high-ranking keywords. Make your content engaging from the start. Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds and keep your videos structured to maintain interest throughout. Use visuals, storytelling, or even humor to keep viewers glued. Ask your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Responding to comments builds community and increases interaction. Engagement isn't just a nice to have, it's an algorithm booster. Stick to a consistent upload schedule. The algorithm rewards creators who keep their audience engaged over time. Aim for at least one video a week, but focus on quality over quantity. To truly decode the algorithm, use tools like YouTube Studio Analytics for monitoring your performance, Google Trends to discover trending topics, for A/B testing, for thumbnails to see what's working. These tools give you data-driven insights to refine your strategy. Remember, the numbers tell a story. Use them to your advantage. Let's look at a real-life example. Meet Sarah, a small creator who used these tips to grow her channel from 1,000 to 50,000 subscribers in 6 months. Sarah optimized her metadata, focused on audience retention, and leveraged trending shorts. By analyzing her analytics weekly, she adjusted her strategy and saw incredible results. If she can do it, so can you. And there you have it. The YouTube algorithm isn't a mystery, it's a system you can master with the right strategies. Start applying these tips today and watch your channel grow like never before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more game-changing YouTube insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.